welcome to 365 Travel View. This is St. Sophia Cathedral in Harbin, China, one of the most iconic landmarks in the Ice City. Surrounded by snow and history, this Russian-style cathedral tells a story you don't expect to find in China. St. Sophia Cathedral, located in the heart of Harbin, China, is one of the city's most famous tourist attractions and a symbol of Harbin's unique cultural heritage. Built in the early 20th century, St. Sophia Cathedral is known for its stunning Russian and Byzantine-style architecture, making it one of the largest Eastern Orthodox churches in the Far East. Today, the cathedral stands as a landmark of Harbin's history, reflecting the strong Russian influence that shaped the city during the construction of the Chinese Eastern Railway. Visitors come here year-round, but St. Sophia Cathedral is especially beautiful in winter. Snow-covered surroundings, soft lighting, and the open square in front of the cathedral create one of the most photogenic scenes in Harbin. This area is a popular stop on many Harbin walking tours and city walks, offering travelers a peaceful space to explore, take photos, and experience the atmosphere of the Ice City. St. Sophia Cathedral is also a key highlight for those planning Harbin travel itineraries, often combined with visits to Zhongyang Street, Harbin Pedestrian Street, and nearby city landmarks. Whether you are visiting Harbin in winter, exploring Russian architecture in China, or enjoying a virtual walking tour from home, St. Sophia Cathedral offers a unique and unforgettable experience. This video gives you a closer look at St. Sophia Cathedral in Harbin, its design, surroundings, and winter atmosphere, so you can truly feel what it's like to be here before you visit. As you arrive at St. Sophia Cathedral, the first thing that captures your attention is its sheer scale and presence. Standing tall in the middle of the open square, the cathedral's red brick walls and green domes immediately set it apart from the modern city around it. The large central dome rises above the skyline, topped with a golden cross that glows softly against the winter sky. Smaller domes surround it, giving the building a balanced and symmetrical appearance that feels both grand and peaceful. Up close, you can see the detailed brickwork, arched windows, and classic Russian architectural patterns that make St. Sophia Cathedral one of the most recognizable landmarks in Harbin, China. In winter, snow often covers the square and the rooftops, adding a quiet, almost fairy tale-like atmosphere. The contrast between the warm red tones of the cathedral and the white snow makes this spot incredibly photogenic. As people gather around the open plaza, taking photos and walking slowly, the space feels calm and welcoming, inviting you to pause, look up, and take in the history before stepping closer. This first view of St. Sophia Cathedral sets the tone for the experience. Historic, elegant, and completely unexpected in the heart of Harbin's ice city. Inside St. Sophia Cathedral, the space opens up into a grand, peaceful hall. Soft light fills the interior, highlighting the high ceilings, elegant arches, and historic details. The atmosphere is calm and reflective, inviting visitors to slow down and take it all in. At certain times, this space is also used for cultural performances, where music echoes beautifully through the hall, adding life to the cathedral's historic setting. To enter inside St. Sophia Cathedral, there is a small admission fee, usually around 20 renminbi per person. Tickets can be purchased directly at the entrance, and payment is simple and convenient. Most visitors pay using mobile payment apps like WeChat Pay or Alipay, and in some cases, cash is also accepted. Once inside, you can explore the historic interior at your own pace. It will not take much time. Outside is -20, so staying inside the cathedral really helped to warm up. Around the cathedral, many visitors arrive dressed for the moment, turning the square into a living photo studio. You'll notice long winter coats, scarves, hats, and boots, carefully chosen to match the season and the historic backdrop of St. Sophia Cathedral. Some people wear elegant outfits for professional photo shoots, while others keep it casual, capturing natural moments with friends and family. Photographers gently guide poses, adjusting angles and waiting for the right light, as the cathedral's domes and arches frame every shot. Each photo becomes more than just an image. It's a way of preserving the atmosphere, the travel experience, and a personal memory of Harbin's most iconic landmark. enjoyed this walk through St. Sophia Cathedral in Harbin, don't forget to like the video. It really helps the channel. Subscribe for more travel walks and virtual tours from around the world. Feel free to share this video with friends who love travel and winter destinations. And let me know in the comments, would you visit Harbin in winter? If you've already visited this place, please feel free to share your experience in the comments. That might help others. I spent less than 1 hour here. We then walked to nearby streets, but everywhere people were dressed up and taking photos.